Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. There's not an industry which isn't being hit with more and more rules and regulations for environmental safety. When it comes to air quality compliance, Epcon Industrial Systems can help. Epcon builds air pollution control and industrial heating systems, which help improve productivity while eliminating environmental hazards. Located in the greater Houston area, Epcon designs and manufactures custom thermal oxidizers, RTOs, scrubbers, industrial ovens, and furnaces. Its expertise includes specialty systems such as complete metal finishing lines, decontamination systems, and thermal de-oilers. Epcon also handles rebuilds and retrofits, installations, maintenance, and inspection. Epcon has a reputation for finding unique solutions for out-of-the-ordinary applications. Epcon believes you can always build it better, which is why they hold several patents for innovative technologies, which do their part to protect the environment, decrease fuel consumption, and save customers money. Epcon is one of very few companies in its industry with its own on-site manufacturing facility. This allows Epcon to maintain complete quality control over a project. That quality starts with its engineering experts using the latest design software and extends to high-quality materials and certified welders on the production floor. All systems are pre-assembled at its facility and are tested prior to shipment. Just how successful is Epcon? The company has built over 3,000 thermal oxidizer systems, and its ovens are heating up manufacturing in Asia, the Middle East, Europe, and throughout the Western Hemisphere. To find out how to go green with Epcon, visit its website at epconlp.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.